Welcome to this video. Today we will talk about Cricket Plus, our latest architectural in-ground uplighters range with a clean and essential design for flexible lighting solutions. This series is made of high-quality components and materials to guarantee long-lasting functionalities. Cricket Plus is ready to resist heavy loads and torsion for all walk and drive-over situations. Cricket Plus has been developed for an easy installation and low maintenance. RGBW and tunable white versions are also available to complete the series, both controlled by DMX protocol. We can choose between our three different sizes. The first one is the smallest one, the Cricket Plus 10, with a diameter of 105 millimeters and 500 lumens of flux. The medium size, the Cricket Plus 15, with a diameter of 190 millimeters and 1200 lumen. And finally, the biggest one, the Cricket Plus 20, with a diameter of 270 millimeters and 2500 lumen. Let's talk about the materials. The rings are available in three different materials: die-cast aluminum, stainless steel, and a new solid brass ring only for the smallest Cricket Plus 10, ideal for the seafront installations. The heatsink and the body are in die-cast aluminum. The body is also anodized and painted in black. The optics are high transmittance technopolymer lenses. The diffuser is in a tempered glass. The product is complete with a resisting box in technopolymer. This is an accessory to be ordered separately. A feature of this resisting box is the water drain system for the outflow of water. Then, an internally developed water stop for electrical connection, because moisture is a typical problem in these kinds of fittings, well known as pump effect. This happens when the fixture is turned off and the moisture gets into the cable when the internal temperature decreases. To avoid it, we have resigned barriers inside the water stop, which seals the last part of the cable that enters the product. Now some technical features of our Cricket Plus series. IK09 for the Cricket Plus 15, IK10 for Cricket Plus 20. As we mentioned before, they are all walkable and also suitable for drive-over areas. The medium-size Cricket Plus 15 withstands up to 6 tons of static load and acceleration of 30 kilometers per hour, far beyond the requirements of European legislation. The large size, the Cricket Plus 20, reaches an even better maximum load of 7.5 tons. The small series, the Cricket Plus 10, despite being a very compact product, maintains both characteristics, resisting more than 2 tons of static weight. The Cricket Plus series, therefore, complies with all 5 areas classified by European standards, both in terms of mechanical strength and terms of max temperature reached by the external diffuser. This last point is very important for the A5 touch walkover area classification. The Cricket Plus 10 and 20 reaches up to a max of 35 degrees Celsius. The Cricket Plus 15 reaches an outstanding 15 degrees Celsius. Regarding the optics, each optical unit, custom designed in our headquarters, ensures a sharp and homogeneous light beam for lighting architectural applications. By analyzing the main types of applications, we developed 3 different optics. An internal circular optic with a beam angle of 10 degrees. This lens reaches a max intensity of 31,000 candle kilolumen, particularly suitable for accent lighting. a medium circular optic with a beam angle of 30 degrees, which creates a less sharp effect, but still maintain the controlled emission. Last but not least, an asymmetrical optic with a beam angle of 80 degrees and 5 degrees tilting. This optic was designed to improve the installation interdistance while still maintaining excellent uniformity on the wall. This is an important requirement in wall washing. As you know, architectural lighting is divided between indoor and outdoor. Human eye perceives contrast rather than colors at night, and with low levels of illuminance, it prefers warm colors. For this reason, we offer Cricut Plus with different color temperatures and different color rendering. On the other hand, we have the day or well-lit environments. The perception of color becomes very important. That's why the Cricut Plus is available in 4 different configurations: 3000 and 4000 Kelvin CRI 80, and on request 2700 and 3000 Kelvin CRI 90. In addition, the Cricut Plus series is equipped with a specific LED chip supplied by Cree, one of the most important LED manufacturers in the world. Currently, it's the only chip in the market to ensure total absence of chromatic aberration. You can easily understand the Cricut Plus characteristic is an absolute relevant, unique selling point in the architectural field. Let's focus on Cricut Plus accessories. The compact version of the Cricut Plus 15 is equipped with a reinforced metal bar and water drain system to avoid water accumulation. The Cricut Plus 20, on the other hand, is a classical cylindrical outer casting in technopolymer. The Cricut Plus series can also be supplied with a special glazes, soft glass in order to reduce perceived glare, and a glass with surface texture to reduce slipping. In order to control the light emission, this series was designed in-house anti-glare accessories such as honeycomb. This option is not available in the asymmetrical version. The Cricut Plus series is designed to be also available in dynamic light versions. The LED board and the lenses are used to support multi-chip. This technical solution guarantees the perfect uniformity and color mixing. Both versions are controlled with DMX protocol. In any case, they can possibly interface with DALI systems using a converter. The DMX configurators requires a use of a remote 48-volt low voltage driver, and it will be also needed a DMX signal generator, which can manage the 512 addresses. Each RGBW fixture occupies 4 addresses, so on each generator output we can connect up to 32 fixtures over a maximum distance of 300 meters. Once the distance has been reached, a signal repeater has to be installed. In the case of tunable white, the addresses occupied are 2 per device. Therefore, up to 64 devices for each of the 4 different lines. The maximum distance remains up to 300 meters. Cricut Plus is a series of walkable and drive-over elements with an elegant and refined design made up with the highest value materials. It guarantees professional lighting effects, 3 different sizes, 2 fitting options for the outer ring, and an extra marine brass option for the small one. 3 different proprietary optics for combination of color temperature and color rendering index. On request, available RGBW and tunable white versions controlled by DMX. The product formal language is subordinated to architecture. Light becomes the main narrator of the environment, staying at the center of the scenography. Cricket Plus, early light.